How to change background color in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your background color in your Wix Studio website. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. You can click on it and then you will be in that website dashboard. You can navigate to edit chat here. You can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor. So, this is the section I want to change. So, let's click on it and then select layer and then select section. So, this is for the whole section. We're going to change the color. And after that, you can open the inspector here. Then you can scroll down and you will find background and there is color. So, you can click on it and then you can choose the color. Maybe you want to change it to this one or this one or this one. It's up to you, and then also you can add theme color if you have it. You can custom the color. Maybe you want to make it more blue or something like that or red. So it's up to you, and then you can just click apply and then it will change as you want. So basically you can change everything here. You can just add theme color and you can choose your color. And also if you want to make it a gradient color, you can just click this one and then you can set it up, like this maybe, or it's up to you. You can choose the position or the style. You can change it, it's up to you like this maybe. And also you can choose the fluid gradient here, fluid gradient. You can just customize it as you want. You can change the color here, maybe like this. So it's like three colors here, you know. You can, customize it and you can explore more. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.